I'm going to do the Math Practice 2 Concept Integration section, and in kindergarten, students begin putting words to numbers to words like 4 plus 1 equals 5 using manipulatives. In first grade, students use numbers and words to help them solve problems. I have an example here. There are 60 students on the playground, 10 students had to go inside. Now how many students are on the playground? Then in second grade, students begin to use numbers, words, and reasoning habits to help make sense of problems. Like 10 children are in the gym, Miss Lee's class joins them, adding 10 children. Then 6 children left. How many students are in the gym? Then in third grade, students begin to recognize that specific quantities of numbers can be represented through symbols. Elsa has 10 bags. Each bag has 5 cookies. How many cookies did Elsa make? And using manipulatives, they can figure these out. Fourth grade, we have students begin to recognize a number represents a specific quantity. Fourth graders extend this knowledge through fractions and decimals. There are 6 people at Ariel's birthday party. Each person will eat half a pizza. How many pizzas should Ariel's mom buy? And then in 5th grade, students begin to contextualize and decontextualize real-world problems using decimals and fractions. Anna received $6.25 from her grandma. Now she has $9. How much money did Anna have when she started? Solving these problems will help students understand the amount of a number and instead of just looking at a number. This is the PSYOP integration. When researching the PSYOP model, we found these engagement strategies. Teachers can print them off and use them in their classroom for any quick little add-on to a lesson to just really hit the concept home. Word problems are especially difficult for ELL students. Reinforcing them through think, pair, share, or the mirror activity will increase their understanding of the math concept. And my favorite was the mirror activity. It's an activity where the teacher or peer writes down the equation and the students mirror the teachers or peer. They can do this together through the word problem, which allows for building background, repetition, and comprehensible input, all of which are the main aspects of PSYOP. Our reflection, the second time we created this presentation was less difficult and easier to understand the context. The first collaborative presentation, we just really didn't understand quite what we were doing yet, and now that we understand, it was much easier to find the information and put it all together. We didn't understand what being experts on the topic really meant until we did this the second round. Recording our presentation also came much easier. After reviewing our videos from CP1, we reflected and realized we needed to be much more energetic and more interactive with the audience, and tried to achieve that through our CP2 recordings. We collaborated very well and did our best to develop 2 strong, informative presentations together. And then my personal reflection, I really learned a lot, and I learned that math is not about just giving out a formula or a problem and they figure it out and then turn it in paper. It's about putting words to numbers, and the students really need to really understand and use real life problems to help their future and to help them learn and really understand what's going on in math. Thank you very much.